Okay. What about the FTSE going down this morning? When I say going down, technically, the technology failing us.
Fantastic.
Hey, wait, is it fantastic? Is it something you should worry about a bit? I mean,
no. I tell you what,
happens every so often.
You know what's happened? Some IT engineer has spilt his cappuccino over a server and pulled out a plug. I was expecting Donald Trump to do a tweet saying, "Hey, New York Stock Exchange open bang on time, guys." Look, it's the London Stock Exchange, such a beloved institution. There were no criticisms of it anywhere I could find on the internet at all. It's a bit embarrassing. Quite frankly, everyone's thinking, yeah, IT guys. I mean, those poor IT guys got it in the neck on this one, sadly. Do you know how nice it is at 8 a.m. not for once to be talking this week about the inverted yield curve as a middle-aged man? It was great that there was an outage. I loved it.
All right, we'll leave the inverted yield curve to another day.
I think that's what they call something for the weekend.
Yes, yes. I'll mull it over the weekend. Alpesh Patel there from Private Finance.